Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious mango jam. To begin, gather your essential ingredients. You will need about 4 ripe mangoes, 2 cups of granulated sugar, and 1/4 cup of fresh lemon juice. These components work together to create a perfectly balanced and flavorful jam. The mangoes provide the sweet base, sugar acts as a preservative, and lemon juice helps the jam set beautifully. Let's get started. Now that you have your ingredients, let's prepare them. First, carefully peel and dice your ripe mangoes. Aim for about 4 cups of fruit. Uniform pieces ensure even cooking. Next, measure out your 2 cups of granulated sugar and 1/4 cup of fresh lemon juice. Finally, sterilize your canning jars and lids by boiling them for at least 10 minutes. This crucial step ensures your jam remains safe and fresh. It's time to cook our delicious jam. Combine the diced mangoes, sugar, and lemon juice in a large, heavy-bottomed pot. Bring the mixture to a rolling boil over medium-high heat, stirring constantly to prevent sticking. Then, reduce the heat and simmer for about 20 to 30 minutes, stirring frequently. The jam is ready when it reaches 220 degrees Fahrenheit or thickens nicely on a chilled plate. With your jam cooked to perfection, it's time for jarring. Carefully ladle the hot jam into your sterilized jars, leaving about 1/4 inch of headspace at the top. Wipe the jar rims clean and secure the lids tightly. For long-term storage, process the filled jars in a boiling water bath for 10 minutes. Once cooled, store your unopened mango jam in a cool, dark place for up to 1 year of enjoyment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.